Google Classroom. How do I add students to my classroom? There's actually two different ways that you can add students to your Google Classroom. The first way is with older students, so I've done it with grades 3 and up in the past, is I'm going to project this code here. And I can make it larger, so that way if you're on a projector, it makes it much easier for the kids to see. And what they need to do with this code is they need to go into their account. So here I have a student account open, and they have no classes. What they would need to do is click on the plus symbol here, and they would need to type that code into this box. So if I take that code and I copy and paste it quickly, just to show you what happens, then it's going to say join up in the right-hand corner here. Students need to click on this, and then they're linked to your account. So they will turn up as a student. So if I go into people here, now my students, it should update and it'll show me my students down here. And on the student one, it has me in here, and people, it will just show the teachers because there's no other students in the class yet.